Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back. Sorry about the noise you're getting to listen if you, on my background. You're listening to it because I'm not recording at my usual place. So let's get started with the video. At first, we are having a lot of news today into the morning and some of the high impact news at 1 p.m. and 7:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious. Now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of EURUSD, and what we see is that to the usual monthly chart, we have set the low and moving into the upside direction. Now let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that we are kind of accumulating throughout. Uh, the candles are not expanding much. We are not having any FVG. So the buyers still not seem to be much clear. Let's move to the dailies. As we move into the daily, what we see is that the price sprung up. We have broken the structure here. So this is the low. If we are going to go up, nothing much is clear even in daily because we have been accumulating since last few days. See, the candle closure isn't going above the previous candle highs and lows. So it's kind of an accumulation zone, quite hard to trade in. When we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that FVG was being respected, particularly the bearish FVGs into the market, and the price is moving into the downward side. I have also marked this level bearish because there was an order flow going into the market and we broke it. So I was not anticipating this to be broken. So this was the low, which was my last invalidation zone, and the price disrespected it. So I'm now anticipating that the price is more likely to be bearish in today's trend particularly. Let's move to the bars to see the clear picture. So we can see the hard close right here, and it is but pretty much evident. But what is the real issue is this: the candle is not expanding much. We are not having an expansion with the candle, so quite tight range, not good for trading particularly. Even here, we are having quite tight range. So I'm not anticipating to hope. I'm not anticipating actually for any trade right now. I'll be waiting for the extreme levels to be taken by the market to enter the market at a better um, better market health or what volatility you can say. So right now everything is mitigated and which is in a zone which is not ideal for my strategy. So this is pretty much it. Uh, Apart from that, I am bearish into the market. So do write me into the comments that what are your thoughts and your analysis towards today's trend. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.